The most common question I receive every bear market is, Casey, I'm holding a coin at a major loss. Should I hold it and see if it comes back, or should I sell it? And the cold hard truth is we all need to learn strategies that give us an edge so that scenario never happens again. The buying and holding altcoin strategy is dead. It will not work in this upcoming bull market because not all altcoins will go up. Altcoins are not for holding. They are for trading. So we need to learn and execute proven trading strategies. The only way we stand a chance at making the most of what is likely to be the biggest crypto bull run yet is by increasing our income so we have money to invest. And in order to do that, we need to invest in ourselves, education, our skills, our ability to make money, and our future at large. If we are holding dead bags that are down over 90%, so is most everyone else in the crypto space right now. And when these altcoins start moving again, there will be a massive amount of sell pressure to overcome. It will be a long, painful journey back to a price point that certain altcoins may never, ever reach again. So we cannot waste the bull cycle hoping and praying our dead bags break even. Instead, we need to take advantage of the time we have left in the rest of this bear market by learning about tools that will give us an edge, investing in education about how to trade altcoins for profit, joining a community that supports each other, surrounding ourselves with people who are on the same journey, where we can all thrive together and actually make real money in the crypto casino. And in previous bear and bull cycles, there wasn't any simple, straightforward path to follow. There wasn't a tool that consistently worked in all scenarios. There wasn't a time-tested, proven trading strategy. There wasn't a strong, like-minded, supportive community we could access 24/7 to talk to each other about crypto projects, charts, trends, and trades. And there wasn't a high-quality training and education system that actually helps any of us become a profitable, self-sufficient trader. Until now. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore Bullmania, the best crypto education and training platform I've ever come across that actually helps people become profitable, self-sufficient traders with access to proven tools and strategies that work, and a supportive community that helps each other thrive on our crypto journeys together. So let's hit it. Last year in 2025, Bullmania, a crypto trading education platform, launched. I joined it, and now after a year of vetting and testing it, I'm excited to let our crypto fam know it exists, it's awesome, and it's extremely valuable. And despite the bear market, tons of people have been making money, leveraging the tools, strategies, education, and community on this platform. So it is my conviction that anyone who wants to actively trade crypto and make potentially life-changing gains in the upcoming bull cycle, seriously consider joining this community and using what time we have left to learn how to use the tools that work, a proven strategy that works, and to ultimately increase our skills and knowledge to increase our ability to make money well into the future. Because one thing is for certain, the markets aren't going anywhere. Crypto markets, stock markets, commodities market, this platform gives us the ability to profit in any global liquid market. Alright, so Bullmania in a nutshell is trading software tools coupled with education and mentorship designed to help us understand the markets. Now, Bullmania is a private community with limited spots. We can claim a spot using the link below where our crypto fam can redeem a great discount. However, it's important to note that this isn't just something we can click to buy and gain access to. There is no buy now button. This is for people who are serious about learning how to actively trade any markets and make consistent profit, which takes an investment in time and money. So when we scroll down and click the link below, we'll arrive at this landing page where the first step is to watch about a 15-minute training video, all the way until the end. It gives an overview of what to expect, how the strategy we will learn is different from anything else we may have come across, no fundamental or technical analysis, no support, no resistance levels, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and no spending more than 60 minutes per day looking at charts, which is awesome. The Bullmania strategy gives us a statistical edge with clear rules to follow. Regardless of our experience level, as long as we follow the simple rules, we can make money trading crypto, stocks, any liquid market. No thought, no emotion involved, just a proven system where we can win more than we lose. Cool, so after the video, scroll down and click on this button to book a free strategy session with the team to discuss if joining the program is a good fit for us and if it could genuinely help us on our own unique crypto journey. Because they want to make sure that anyone who joins is dedicated to following the rules to ensure that they experience success in the markets. So during the call, they will discuss your current trading strategy, identify any red flag actions that have been holding you back, and if the program can help you. So once we've joined Bullmania, we will gain access to the private community on Discord, where we will be able to participate in weekly alpha streams, interact with other Bullmania members, talk about the market, different strategies, coins, ask for help, and get any questions we may have answered. We will get access to their trading course with the Mechanical Rules Playbook, lessons on trading, how to use Bullmania tools and indicators, long-term weekly versus short-term daily strategies, and much, much more, as well as a guide on how to buy tokens with different exchanges. And we will also get access to the money line and the money scanner. The money line is a tool we've been using for years now on the channel that shows us when cryptocurrencies flip from bearish trends to bullish trends and from bullish trends to bearish trends. And we use the money line with a TradingView account, which we can sign up for using the link below and receive a $15 coupon to put towards any one of their paid plans. Now, what's great about the money line on TradingView is we can use it on more than just crypto. We can use it for stocks, ETFs, futures, Forex, crypto, indices, bonds, the economy, and option trading. And what's great about Bullmania's mechanical rules strategy is that it works on all of these financial assets as well, allowing us to diversify into more than just crypto, making it possible to make money in different asset classes when crypto is in a bear market. Which, yeah, another great thing about the money line and trading strategy is we can still make money in crypto regardless of the market cycle. Check it out. We are in a bear market, and in a video back on March 31st, we covered the project Hyperliquid, and it had just turned into a bullish trend on the money line back when it was around $36. And here we are today. It spiked all the way up to around $76 and settled down a bit, with the price currently at around $58. So from 36 to 58 is still a nice 60% gain. So we could take some profit. And when it flips into a bearish trend on the money line, we sell and rotate the capital into another asset that just flipped bullish on the money line. And the way we find a new asset that just turned bullish is with none other than the money scanner. So let's check out the money scanner and go through an example of how to find another potential asset that just flipped into a new bullish trend so we can ride up into a profit. All right, so this is the money scanner. At the top, it shows us what percentage of cryptocurrencies are in bullish versus bearish trends. In the filter section on the right, we can filter cryptos by ones that are in bullish versus bearish trends. We can change the time since flipped from any time to the past hour, 4 hours, certain number of days, weeks, or a month. And we can change the time frame from weekly to monthly to 12 hours, an hour, daily, or whatever we want. We can also show the paired quotes by USD, BTC, SPX, ETH, or SOL, and filter by market cap. And at the top, we can rotate between crypto, stocks like Nvidia, Apple, Alphabet, and Microsoft, or commodities like oil, copper, gold, or gasoline, or ETFs like Vanguard S&P 500, iShares S&P 500, or Forex, which are different fiat currencies. And here we can create our own portfolio of assets to watch. Nice. All right, now let's use the money scanner to find a crypto that just flipped into a bullish trend on the money line. I'll change the time since flipped to, let's say, 6 days within a weekly time frame. And let's have a look at Injective on the TradingView chart by clicking on the chart icon. And here we are. Injective is in a confirmed bullish trend. It flipped on June 1st, 2026, when it reached over $6.50, wicked up to about $7.30. It's down about 22% at around $5 in both a weekly and daily bullish trend, and wouldn't flip into a bearish trend unless it drops below $3.60 right now. So this is something we would want to watch and consider getting into proper positions to ride a short-term play, and it could potentially turn into a longer-term play. The most important thing when actively trading like this is always following the mechanical rules of the Bullmania strategy in order to hedge risk, avoid losses, and lock in profits. Amazing. Look, a lot of us are holding dead bags from previous bull cycles, and the biggest bull run in crypto history is on the horizon. So we need to prepare now in order to position ourselves for potentially making life-changing gains. And remember, this bull cycle is different. Old strategies of buying and holding, waiting for everything to go up, won't work this time around. The crypto market is completely different than a few years ago because the world is completely different than a few years ago. Not everything will go up because the crypto market has slowly and surely become institutionalized. There is big money in the space now manipulating the market to make profits. Prediction markets like Kalshi and Polymarket have taken a huge market share of the money flow. We have AI now where pretty much over 95% of the financial markets are completely automated. We simply don't stand a chance without education, tools, and proven strategies like with Bullmania. So while Bullmania is the best for active trading, another amazing addition to our overall investment strategy is an AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader for fully automated trading and dollar cost averaging called GoBabyTrade. And if you'd like to learn about how GoBabyTrade can completely automate our crypto trading strategy for passive profits, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about my bull cycle strategy to make more money than mistakes before the biggest bull run in history, check out this video. And to claim a spot in the Bullmania community and secure a nice discount, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.